Imagine waking up to the sound of birds, sunlight gently shining through wooden windows, and fresh air flowing through a cozy little home surrounded by nature. Now imagine that this beautiful home can move wherever you want. Today, we're exploring something truly amazing, a dream wooden home on wheels that blends nature, comfort, and freedom, all for under $20,000 at first glance. This tiny home looks like it came straight out of a fairy tale. The entire exterior is crafted with natural wood, giving it a warm, rustic look that instantly feels peaceful and welcoming. Instead of cold metal or plastic walls, this home feels alive, almost like a small wooden cabin that decided to go on an adventure. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a beautiful wooden interior that feels both cozy and surprisingly spacious. The natural wood walls and ceiling create a calming atmosphere, making you feel connected to nature even when you're indoors. Large windows allow sunlight to pour into the space, making the home feel bright and opened out on one side. There's a smartly designed living area with a comfortable seating space that can easily transform into a bed when needed. It's perfect for relaxing, reading a book, or simply enjoying the peaceful view outside your window. Just a few steps away, you'll find a compact yet functional kitchen. It may be small, but it has everything you need: a cooking space, small sink, storage shelves, and enough room to prepare simple meals while enjoying the beauty of nature around you. Imagine making your morning coffee while parked beside a lake or deep in the forest. Above the living space, there's a cozy loft sleeping area. Climb the small wooden ladder, and you'll find a warm little bedroom that feels like your own private nest. With soft lighting and wooden textures all around, it's the perfect place to relax after a long day of exploring. One of the most incredible things about this home is how thoughtfully every inch of space is used. Hidden storage compartments are built into the design, allowing you to keep your belongings organized without making the space feel crowded. And because it's built on wheels, the possibilities are endless. You can park near mountains, forests, beaches, or peaceful countryside landscapes. Instead of being tied to one location, your home travels with you. No expensive rent, no giant mortgages, just freedom, simplicity, and the beauty of nature. The wooden design also helps the home blend naturally into outdoor environments. When parked in a forest or natural setting, it almost feels like the house belongs there, as if it grew right out of the landscape. And the most surprising part, a beautiful home like this can be built for under $20,000, making it one of the most affordable ways to live a peaceful, adventurous lifestyle. For people tired of crowded cities, rising rent prices, and stressful living, homes like this offer a completely different way of life. One that focuses on simplicity, mobility, and connection with nature. So imagine this for a moment. Waking up every morning in a cozy wooden home, opening your door to a breathtaking natural view, and knowing that if you ever want a new scenery, all you have to do is start the engine and go. A home that moves with you. A home that lives with nature. Now that's what we truly call a dream home on wheels. House with garden minibus.